Hello everyone, this is Clever Money and I am back with a new video. We will go through the best 5 cryptocurrencies to invest in right now. Unlike the stock market's drawbacks, where we have seen some dramatic volatility due to excessive responses in a very sensitive market, the cryptocurrency environment has been pretty stable in recent months, with plenty of potentials to expand. The beauty and fun of being a retail investor is having the freedom to choose what you want to invest in, as well as having access to all of the perks that cryptocurrencies have to offer. Furthermore, Bitcoin is extremely liquid. Cryptocurrencies are liquid in the sense that they function 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, allowing you to purchase, sell, or exchange your assets at any time. For example, if you have invested $100 today and needed it tomorrow for whatever reason, you could receive it almost instantaneously. Many people invest in a variety of assets, including physical commodities, precious metals, and even the stock market, which is open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. All of these assets, however, lack the liquidity that Bitcoin provides. Likewise, the minimum investment threshold for cryptocurrency is extremely cheap. This means that anyone may get started right now if they register for a platform and have some money to invest. You don't need thousands of dollars to begin investing. In fact, you could get started today with just $20. That is the beauty of cryptocurrency. It does not discriminate against anyone based on their age, race, or location, with the exception of India. India has attempted to outlaw Bitcoin. They are attempting to move forward with it, though I don't believe it's finished yet. However, whether you're watching this video in the United States or another country around the world, chances are you can invest in cryptocurrency. The king of all cryptos, Bitcoin, will be the first crypto to invest in 2022. So, why should every investor's portfolio include Bitcoin? Isn't it a little overrated? Is it possible that it is not too late? Here are 3 reasons why Bitcoin is still the most popular coin in the crypto network. Bitcoin currently has a market cap of over $1 trillion and is still the most popular currency in the crypto network. If I had to invest in only one cryptocurrency for the rest of my life, it would be Bitcoin. You cannot go wrong with modern-day digital gold, which is known for its key traits of being a powerful tool, fighting inflation, and holding money without the risk of confiscation. So far this year, Bitcoin is trading roughly at around $42,618.99. You don't need to put all of your funds into one asset, but I strongly advise you to put at least a little amount into Bitcoin, which you can then forget about and watch grow. So, Ethereum will be the next item on this list. Many people believe that Ethereum has a lot better chance of going to the moon than Bitcoin does in its current condition, owing to the fact that, unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum has a much more distinct aim. So the simplest comparison is to think of Bitcoin as a digital gold and Ethereum as power. Without going into too much detail, know that Ethereum's platform, with its open source computing platform and operating system, has the foundation to transform finance and technology. The unlimited amount of use case options that this crypto possesses is why investors feel that Ethereum has a stronger probability of generating more beneficial returns. In basic terms, Bitcoin can only do so much, whereas Ethereum provides the canvas and paintbrush for individuals like us to innovate and construct incredible technology. At the time of this recording, Ethereum is trading at roughly $3,263.77, with a year-over-year rise of almost 1,000%. Keep in mind that you don't have to buy an entire Ethereum or Bitcoin to benefit from the percentage gains. You can buy fractions and still profit. So, we have got Chainlink for crypto number 3. But what exactly is a Chainlink fence? Chainlink is the link that connects blockchain technology to existing infrastructures, as the name implies. This coin has a number of advantages, but the one that you should pay attention to this is Chainlink allows tamper-proof inputs and outputs for complicated smart contracts on any blockchain. This topic is complex and beyond the scope of this video, but let me lay it down as simply as possible so you have a rough understanding of why Chainlink is on this list and why you should consider investing in it. Let's say a new library has opened. The librarian or whoever was in charge of the library would want it to be open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And they'd find some kind of technology like a Wi-Fi enabled smart lock on the door so that whenever someone comes in, maybe it's 1 or 2 a.m., maybe they're working on schoolwork, they can create a smart contract where if they scan their library card, the smart lock, which is enabled by Wi-Fi, will get a smart lock from a contract allowing the managing head to verify that they're a library member. As a result, if someone walks in who isn't a signed member of the library, that lock may not open. However, if someone is a known member, they will be let in. This is a simple example of how smart contracts can be used in the real world. You can use this in a variety of businesses, and smart contracts are really incredible. And I feel that's where the world is headed in the future. So how does this relate to Chainlink? Well, Chainlink connects that smart contract, or in this example, that lock, to existing infrastructures. The librarian can't just set up that lock and expect it to function automatically whenever someone swipes their library card. There has something to be in place that connects the two of them, which is what Chainlink is all about. So at the time of this recording, Chainlink amounts to $24.56. Ecome is the fourth cryptocurrency on this list. So OMI has two applications. The first is as a VV NFT ecosystem utility token. VV is a brand new NFT environment that I've been utilizing. And if you want to check out this crypto platform, you may go ahead and download it. Every new purchase on that app is made using OMI, and OMI gains in value as the number of NFT purchases grows. So if you're interested in NFTs and believe that this is the marketplace where everyone will be in the next few years, check out OMI, as well as other coins like Flow Dapper. There are a variety of cryptocurrencies available that allow you to get in on this movement before it's too late. The essence of cryptocurrency is deflationary, which means that the token supply is being reduced. Because of the laws of economics, a finite supply usually means a greater value due to the smaller supply. OMI is currently at $0.007 at the time of this recording. Now keep in mind that this cryptocurrency isn't available on most popular exchanges like Coinbase, Crypto.com, or Binance. So you will have to download alternative platforms that can be a little risky in order to receive cryptocurrency coins in early stages like this. Okay, so this was a tough one. There are a lot of amazing cryptos that I personally believe are worth investing in, especially in this day and age where there are so many different ones. I could easily end this video by telling you guys to just go ahead and invest your life savings anywhere, but I don't want you to lose all of your money. So the next coin we're going to discuss is Harmony One. So unlike most cryptocurrencies that are based on another network, Harmony was developed from the ground up to address the challenges of scalability, security, decentralization, and privacy by adopting sharding. Sharding is the process of organizing a blockchain to structure transactions and validators in order to improve performance. At its foundation, the Harmony project aims to address blockchain scaling challenges related to speed by establishing a fast and open network of nodes controlled and governed by a big community through sharding and other means. Harmony has a bright future ahead of them with a slew of new partnerships and collaborations planned for this year. Harmony One is absolutely one of the tokens that you should check into right now. Harmony One is currently around 33 cents at the time of this recording. Now, look, there are plenty of other cryptocurrencies on the market right now that might have even larger exponential rises that we've seen in the past year. We are still in the early phases of cryptocurrencies. So, if you have made it this far to the video, congratulations! You have the opportunity to put this information to use right now. If you watch this video and then do nothing, if you do not take action, I believe you have wasted your time. I believe that it is on you if you wish to monetize your time online, to take advantage of it and make some extra profits that you might be able to use once you have generated enough. If you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe, and let me know what your favorite cryptocurrency is in the comment section below. And I will do a complete review video on it. That'll do it for today, and see you next time.